Hi everyone, I'm Vanetta from The Handyman's Daughter, and this is week 2 of my bathroom renovation for the One Room Challenge. This week was all about demolition. I ripped down the wallpaper, pulled out the medicine cabinet and vanity, and tore off all the old wall tile. It went pretty smoothly, with a couple of surprises. Let's check it out. I started by removing all the towel bars, outlet covers, and heating vents from the wall. I noticed that the wallpaper was folded into the heating vent, so I gave it a quick tug. It came off really easily, and this wall was bare in just a few minutes. I wanted to remove the medicine cabinet so I can raise it up a few inches. After taking off the mirror, I backed out the screws on the inside of the cabinet, then the ones hidden on the side. It came out easily, and I finally got my first look inside the wall of our 72-year-old house. No treasure hidden in here, just a bunch of wallpaper shoved between the studs. The wallpaper on this side of the bathroom wasn't coming off quite as easily, so I sprayed it with this wallpaper remover first. Once the solution sunk in for a few minutes, the wallpaper came right off. I had really been dreading this part of the demolition, but it was so gratifying to see it peel off like this. The seams were the toughest to remove, but once I peeled up a corner with the scraper, it came off in big sheets. Moving on to the vanity, I chiseled away the tiles surrounding the sink first. They popped off pretty easily, although there's some damage to the drywall paper. I'm tiling this whole wall later, so I'm not too worried about it. After taking out a few screws, the triangle sink came right out. I was relieved to see that the tile extended all the way to the wall under the vanity. I'm planning to paint a stencil on it later. Finally, the rest of that ugly beige and white tile came down. I used a scraper chisel and a hammer and managed to hit my hand 3 times in the process. I scraped all the remaining adhesive off the walls and sanded them down. Then I applied a coat of guard surface sealer to harden the ripped drywall paper before installing the new tile. You can find my blog post about that by searching for drywall paper on thehandymansdaughter.com. After all that hard work, now I have a clean slate. It may look more like a closet right now, but soon it'll be a modern, beautiful bathroom. Next week, I get started on the wall tile. I'm using an elongated subway tile that'll be installed vertically to give the illusion that these short ceilings are a little bit taller. If all goes well, hopefully I can get to the electrical this week too. I ordered a modern new light fixture to go over the vanity and a new outlet with a built-in nightlight to make it easier for guests to find their way in the dark. Make sure to check back every week for more details on my progress, and you can read more about my DIY demolition and the products I used over on my blog, thehandymansdaughter.com. See you next week!